I just found someone selling an Intel Arc B580 for 150 bucks.
All right, so I messaged him. He said he's available tomorrow morning, and we'll go from there. Usually when deals are this good, I'd rather meet the same day, but it is what it is. We'll see if it's still available in the morning. All right, so he just got back to me. We're meeting at Winco at 10 a.m.
I've been wanting to play with that card though, because I've never used an Intel graphics card before. Because Intel didn't make graphics cards when I built PCs before, right? Like they just started in the last couple of years.
So I'm at Winco, he's running a little late, and now he is changing the meeting spot. So he's supposed to be at Winco, and now he wants to meet at the Shell next door. I'd be a little sketched out if this guy didn't have such good reviews, but let's go check it out.
How's it going?
Yeah.
So there's nothing wrong with it?
No, it's brand new.
Oh, right on. How come you're getting rid of it?
Well, I just, I don't know, I just have my moments. Like I started building my kids' PCs, started out with cheap graphics cards, and I started getting better ones. I don't know, I just have a bunch of graphics cards.
Oh, do you really?
Yeah.
Well, I build PCs. I have a YouTube channel.
Yeah, I seen that. I was like, okay, that's really
and
cool.
so if you're trying to get rid of parts, just let me know, you know?
Okay. Well, yeah, I got a couple more graphics cards. Yeah. I was gonna give that to my son, but I mean, he plays Fortnite, and I've got him already pushing 300 FPS. So it's like, you know.
Doesn't really need it.
Yeah. I was gonna use this for my sim racing build, but I have a 2080 Ti I bought too, and it's working fine. So
Yeah.
you know.
Well, cool. I appreciate it. So I'm gonna end up uploading this on YouTube. Are you cool with being on YouTube?
Yeah, cool.
Okay. You can always blur your face out if you have an issue with it or
That's
anything.
fine. I have a few YouTube channels myself.
Oh, do you?
I wouldn't mind subscribing to you as well.
Yeah, well,
Okay.
cool. Appreciate it, man. FPS for less.
Okay, cool. I'll just send it in our text now.
Yeah.
Heck yeah. Yeah, I love watching, you know.
Yeah, dude, I love doing marketplace deals,
Yeah,
right?
heck
And
yeah.
so I actually prefer to build a video with marketplace because then I get all the GoPro footage of it. So in the whole build, it's like a whole journey of the process.
yeah,
You know what I
that's
mean?
great.
So yeah, no, it's great.
Yeah.
Cool. Well, I appreciate
you,
it.
man.
Thank you very much. And let me know if you have anything else.
Oh, you already gave me. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Have a great day.
Yeah. Have a good one.
You upload.
So I'm gonna actually probably make a short of this tonight, but it won't actually be in a build until I get all the pieces. And this just randomly popped up. I have like 2 other builds in front of me, but I'll probably make a quick little short about it or something tonight.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, cool. Have a good one.
I got 3060 Ti. I got a few other cards.
Oh, do you?
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay.
Cool, man. All right, let's see if this thing works. Looks good. I'll take. Yeah. Look at the sag. Let's go. Purple. So now let's take these guys. The clips are on the bottom, aren't they? No way. Oh, I don't even have slack to turn these things around. How obnoxious. You know? How fucking obnoxious. I know I don't want to twist you, but I got to. Okay. Also, a little obnoxious, but. Alright. Let's plug this thing in. Let's see if it even fires up. Yeah. Plug that in. Let's see. Yeah, let's fire this thing up. No, let's fire this thing up, huh? And it is lit up. Let's step 1. It's a good looking graphics card though. Alright, and looks like we're getting something out of this thing. Pull this out, twist you up here. There we go. We're gonna have to stress test this thing, but it looks good. All right, we finished our 3D Mark Time Spy. We got kind of a low score, but I'm pretty sure it's because we're on a Ryzen 3rd gen, and I don't have resizable bar enabled. We're really just making sure the temps are good, and we don't get any crashes. Intel Arc B580, Steel Legend for 150 bucks. That is insane. Let's see what kind of budget monster we can make with this thing. Let me know what kind of deals you guys have gotten recently. 150 bucks, it's insane.